JoJo's farm. Thank you all our subscribers, our new subscribers as well, and all our viewers. We thank you all. We salute you. Guys, I'm giving you updates about what is going on the farm, and also about how many pens we have at the moment, and what is our projection, what is our expectation, what will be our final pens for now. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us that favor, hit the subscription button. Also hit the notification button so that when we share any video, you will be the first to know. If you are now entering into pig farming, I will encourage you to take it little by little, little by little. Why am I saying so? Start small. You know, if you are a young guy or lady, if your financial strength is not that huge, take it little by little. You can buy about 2 pigs, or you can buy 1 male and 1 female. You can buy 2 female, 1 male. If you think, the reason why I'm saying that is that you have to have time to take care of them, and 2, you have to be able to buy feed for them. Don't just feed them with anything. Don't just feed them with anything. What I mean is that anything that you get, junk, make sure you give them the right feed. Give them the right feed. The wheat, give them the rice bean, the soya bean, the corn maize, or the maize. Give them those things, the concentrate, and always make sure that you add salt to their food. If you are not, wetting the feed before, some people put water on the feed for a day or 3 days before they serve them. If you are not doing that way, and you are giving them, fresh without mixing it with water, add salt to it, because the salt helps them to drink extra, and that is a good thing for your pigs, because water is good, it's the best, and if they can be drinking water as many as they can, that is excellent. Now, we started with actually 10 pens. We did 10 pens, and then we added 2 extra, which was about 8 by 13. So our normal pens were 7 by 8. Those small ones that we did first, they are 7 by 8. And then that's 7 feet by 8 feet. And then we did 8 by 13 feet. And that is the one that we put there. Or we sort all the piglets when we are taking them out of their moms. We take all of them and then put them in those big ones. So we increased it by 12. So right now, the one that we have roofed and completed, we have 24 pens. And these ones are about 10 by 8. That is a little bigger than those ones. And then we are doing what we call the third phase. So the third phase is what we are doing now. And then after, we're gonna go to the fourth phase. Now the third phase is additional 12 pens. So together, we're gonna have 36 pens. Yes, 36 pens. So we are expecting 36 pens. And we are also planning of expanding it, like expanding 2 or 3 more in the other one, so that we can maybe gather 2 at the same time. So we will have more room to put many of the piglets or the sows over there. So guys, it is a little bit financial challenge. So that is why I'm saying, if you are starting, just start it small. Pigs overnight, within 3-4 months, 6 months, you're gonna have a lot of pigs. So start it small, and then you will gain experience with the small, so that when you are expanding it, you don't have any fear, because you've already experienced it. And like I said, it is a very good business. It is good business. Every day people are knocking at your door. They want to buy. So as for the money, cash flow, you always see cash. No two ways about it. But you have to do it strategically, so that you always have pigs to sell. Because if you are able to sell about 5 pigs, it's a lot of money to sustain you for about 5 months. So just imagine. So this is it, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us that favor, hit the subscription button. I'm gonna try as much as I can and give you all an update for the next week, because right now we have cash and our mason is also ready to work. So we're gonna make sure that we move very well. Hit the subscription button, notification, share, let somebody enjoy, be encouraged. Don't sit down that you don't have a work. You can start your own business by being your own CEO with a big farm. God bless you.